Welcome, writers. Today's Writing Club for Kids session will focus on narrative structure, inspired by Zach the Rat. This session is suitable for writers between the ages of 4 and 6 years old. Thank you for joining us for Writing Club for Kids. We are excited to review the narrative structure with all of you. When writers write, they usually have a beginning, middle, and end to their story. Can you tell us what we usually find in the beginning?
This character and the setting.
And what do we usually find in the middle of a story?
The problem.
And what do we usually find at the end of a story?
The solution.
Great. And we were inspired today to talk about a problem in a story with a book that we read.
Zach the Rat.
Zach the Rat. Thank you. And what was the problem in this story? Can you tell all the writers at home?
The problem was that he tipped over a jam can, and ants ran away. And the solution...
No, don't tell them the solution. They have to read the story.
I forgot.
We don't want to tell them the ending. If you want to know the solution to how Zach the Rat figured out what to do about the ants that were in the jam, go ahead and click on our link in description below where you can access the Starfall Phonics books. So today we are going to use the toy strategy to tell a story.
Wait.
So it's time for all the writers at home to pause the video and go and find a toy that they would like to tell a story about. A toy with characters?
Yes.
A toy with setting? A toy where you can describe a problem? And a
Toy where you can figure the
the
solution.
solution. And go ahead and pause the video and we'll share our toy with you in just 1 minute. So now we're going to share the toy that we've decided to use to tell a story.
It's a Lego.
What is it?
A Lego.
What kind of Lego is it?
It's the Rapunzel. If you have watched the movie Rapunzel, it's the Rapunzel Tower.
It is the Rapunzel Tower. Should we show them the other side of it?
Yeah. I want to show them.
Okay. Did we enjoy building this?
Yeah.
Okay. So you're going to use the tower, which is your setting.
Yes.
And you're going to use the characters to tell a story.
Mm-hmm.
What characters did you bring for us today?
Pascal.
Pascal?
Oh, Pascal.
Pascal?
And
Who's that?
this is like the character that's stuck in the tower.
And what's her name? Did we forget her name?
Yes.
Rapunzel.
Rapunzel.
Okay, so tell me what happens at the beginning of the story.
So she wakes up from her bed. So I'm gonna flip it this way so you can see me playing. Her hair fell off.
Oh no.
I'm gonna pop it back on. Oh, there. Her hair's back on.
Okay, tell the story for our writers.
So she woke up. She went to the bathroom, and when she noticed to wash her hands, the water went flying everywhere.
Is that the problem?
Yes. Can you show me?
And what's the ending?
The ending that she puts in a new pipe.
And what does that do to put in a new pipe?
To fix the leak that was happening.
Okay, writers at home, you go ahead and take your toys and tell a story with your characters and your setting. Feel free to tell a story to a sibling at home, another adult at home, a stuffed animal, a pet, anyone you want. And then come back and we will show you how to sketch out your story. So now we're going to share our sketch story with all of you.
Yes.
So we're going to use the touch and tell method. So we're going to touch and tell.
Yeah, kind of like how we touched and told when I was drawing it.
Okay, so go ahead and touch and tell.
So this is her castle. It's kind of like the similar one, but very more smaller than the big one.
Smaller than the Lego tower, is that what
Yes.
you mean? Okay.
And this is Rapunzel.
Okay, who's this over here?
That's Pascal.
Okay, so we did a great job with our setting and our characters.
Yeah, I can show you at
Okay, page 2.
page 2. You know, so this is her roof of her tower. Look at all that water spilling out.
Is that, where is it? Can you point to the water?
The blue stuff.
And what's the red over here?
That's the sink color.
Okay, so you have water everywhere. And what's on our last page?
Pascal and Pascal, Rapunzel, and the snake.
And the sink. And the problem is
Look at Pascal using his tail.
he using his tail to give her a wrench? He is so handy. All right, writers, we have now sketched a story for our really early learners, early writers, early readers. The first step is learning the story structure. So we don't worry too much about the bottom where the words would normally go. And we will work on these words at a later date. The focus is on learning a narrative structure and learning the process of storytelling. Thank you for joining us today. We enjoyed telling our story. We hope you did too. See you next time.
Bye.